The major Hollywood unions and the AMPTP have announced modifications to the COVID-19 safety agreements, and any producers planning to go into production need to know what has changed and what has not. Hi, James Pacitti, entertainment attorney and production counsel in Los Angeles. SAG, the DGA, IATSE, and the Crafts Union have announced that they have reached an agreement with the Alliance of Motion Picture and Television Producers, modifying the COVID-19 safety agreement. The modifications apply only to those areas that have confirmed low COVID hospital admissions, leaving largely in place the requirements for any areas that are experiencing a surge in COVID-19 hospital admissions. The new workplace practices apply to both vaccinated and unvaccinated cast and crew. Pre-employment testing is still required for all crew members, but with modification in the types of tests, and also testing will still be required on an ongoing weekly basis during production for those in Zone A and B, but it is reduced in frequency for zones C and D, which no longer require testing beyond the pre-employment screening. Masking will not be required in most settings, with the specific exception of shuttle vans. Additional modifications include flexibility on meal service and rules related to transportation. The agreement allows employers to impose more stringent requirements regarding masking and testing as the production circumstances may require. The new agreement continues to allow employers to mandate that employees in Zone A be up to date on their vaccinations, including boosters. It still required that producers hire a dedicated COVID-19 compliance supervisor responsible for safety and compliance and enforcement, and who is also accessible to cast and crew during work hours. All employees will continue to receive 10 days of COVID-19 paid sick leave, and the leave can be used for any of the eligible COVID-19 events, such as testing positive, exhibiting symptoms, isolation, or self-quarantine, or when a member of their household tests positive for COVID-19. The agreement will remain in effect until July 15th, 2022. If you have any questions or if you have a project you wish to discuss, don't hesitate to contact us.